Hey, I'm Sohan, one of the co-founders of Flint. We've recently made 3 major upgrades to Flint, which I'm excited to share in this video with you today. The first is that we've added the ability for AI tutors on Flint to generate images using DALL-E 3. Let me show you how that works. So for example here, I've designed an AI tutor that will actually generate logos for my students in an entrepreneurship class for their new business ideas. So once a student puts in some information about their business, the AI will actually automatically generate a logo for them, and they can ask to make tweaks until they get something they really like. This feature can also be used to help students better visualize what they're learning in class. So for example here, I designed this Oregon Trail game in Flint, where students are asked to make decisions, and once they do so, for example here the student played the medicine card, the AI will actually help them visualize what happens as if they're part of westward expansion. And when student makes further decisions, like they say, hey, we want to stop for food because it's been a while since we ate, the AI will actually visualize what that might have looked like out west. This feature can even be used in science classes. So for example here, I created an AI tutor where students are embarking on a virtual safari, encountering different environments and Pokemon. And they actually have to describe how Pokemon will evolve in different settings. So the AI starts off by giving the student the scenario of Pikachu and asks the student, hey, how might Pikachu evolve in the rainforest? Students are asked a lot of follow-up questions where they have to demonstrate the understanding of evolution. And finally, the AI rewards them by generating this cute image of Pikachu after a few generations in the rainforest. Beyond image generation, I'm excited to share that we've also added more controls in terms of how teachers can provide students with feedback within the Flint platform. So here, I've got an example submission from a student who's working on a coding assignment in Flint. Like before, on the right-hand side, I can view the student's strengths and areas of improvement that were provided by the AI. But I can now go in and leave my own comments as well for the student to look at. So under teacher feedback, I can click and leave my own comments. Once I click save, my student will be able to view those comments, and I can even overwrite the grade that the AI provided to my student. So for example here, the C looks a bit harsh, so I'm going to go ahead and change that grade to a B. And just like that, I've written a comment for my student and overridden their grade to make it higher. The final update that I have to share today is that we've added automatic flagging into Flint for any sort of suspicious messages that are sent between the AI and the student. The way admins can access that is by going to the group analytics within their school's workspace. Here, under suspicious activities, Flint will automatically flag any suspicious messages. Any messages containing violence, harassment, self-harm, or sexual topics are automatically flagged here, making sure that you can easily curb misuse and keep an eye on how your students are using the platform. I hope you have a chance to play around with some of these updates, and as always, we'd love to hear what you think. Thanks.